Namaskar. Everywhere you look, people are trying to eat cleaner, feel lighter, and just take better care of their bodies. From cutting carbs to removing bad fats, you are all looking for healthier food, and that too healthier food alternatives. That's where plant powered nutrition steps in. Nature has a ways of giving us exactly what we need if we just know where to look. And today we are going to look at one surprisingly powerful fruit, that is jackfruit. Whether you are dealing with joint stiffness, sluggish digestion, or trying to lose a few extra pounds, jackfruit might just be the superfood that can help you solve all these problems. Let's start by looking at the nutrient profile of jackfruit. 1 cup of raw jackfruit has 2.8 grams of protein, 22.6 mg of vitamin C, and 739 mg of potassium, which makes jackfruit an excellent source of potassium. Even studies have proved that potassium regulates blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart attacks or stroke. Now let's see how jackfruit helps our body and also learn 2 unique recipes using jackfruit. The first important benefit that jackfruit gives us is that it improves your joint health. Jackfruit offers natural source of vitamin C, which your body uses to make collagen. Collagen is what cushions and protects your joints. It is also packed with antioxidants and compounds like carotenoids and flavonoids, which help reduce inflammation, a major cause of joint pain. Moving on to digestion. Jackfruit is full of dietary fiber, which supports smooth digestion, prevents constipation, and feeds your gut microbiome. That means better nutrient absorption, fewer bloating episodes, and more regular happy gut. And jackfruit contains natural digestive enzymes that helps break down proteins and carbs more efficiently. So if you struggle with slow digestion, jackfruit might be your gentle plant-based friend and solution. Now let's talk about weight loss. It's low in fat, moderate in calories, and high in fiber, which means you stay full longer without craving for snacks. The fibers also down how quickly sugar is released into your bloodstream, helping to stabilize your energy levels and curb cravings. Unripe jackfruit has a neutral flavor, which makes it perfect for curries, tacos, or stir fries as a low-calorie plant-based alternative. Now let's make some delicious dishes using this natural superfood. First, we have a jackfruit salad bowl for weight loss and digestion. The ingredients you need are half a cup shredded raw jackfruit, half a cup chopped cucumber, half cup bell pepper, half cup carrots and beetroots, black pepper, lemon juice, rock salt, cinnamon powder as per taste, 1 teaspoon of flax seeds, olive oil. To bake this salad, boil 1 cup of raw young jackfruit for 10 to 12 minutes until soft. Cool and shred using a fork or hands. Add carrots and half a cup bell peppers and beetroots. Then dice half a cup of cucumber. Now whisk together 1 tablespoon olive oil, juice of 1 lemon, salt, pepper, cinnamon powder as per taste. Then take a large bowl and mix the shredded jackfruit and veggies. Pour in the dressing and mix well. Garnish with flax seeds, mint, coriander. Serve immediately or chill for 15-20 minutes for extra freshness. The next recipe is raw jackfruit, chickpea and Rajgira flour tikki for joint health. The ingredients you need are raw jackfruit 1 cup, steamed and shredded, cooked chickpeas half cup, 2 tablespoons of Rajgira flour or amaranth flour which is helping to bind, grated carrot, beetroot 2 tablespoons, ginger 1 tablespoon grated, fresh coriander 1 tablespoon, chopped one, cumin powder half teaspoon, ajwain 1/4 teaspoon which helps with better digestion, turmeric half teaspoon, rock salt to taste, lemon juice 1 teaspoonful which would add freshness and zing, cold pressed sesame seed oil or ghee. To make this dish, start by steaming raw jackfruit pieces until tender. Shred it once cool enough to handle. Then in a large bowl, combine shredded jackfruit, mashed chickpeas, beetroot spices, grated carrots and herbs. Add Rajgira flour to the mixture to help bind the ingredients together. Now, shape the mixture into small patties or tikkis. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle and add a little sesame oil or ghee. Put the tikkis on the pan and heat until both sides are golden brown and crispy. Serve warm with mint coconut chutney, yogurt dip, or a side salad. In a world where everyone's searching for healthier natural food alternatives, jackfruit stands out as a powerful plant-based option. It is rich in fiber for better digestion, full of antioxidants, and low in calories. Whether you eat it ripe or sweet or unripe and savory, jackfruit supports your gut, your joints, and your wellness goals. Enjoy it guilt-free. Namaskar.